It's been a tragic week for Harmony Gold after 3 mining accidents, the worst at its Doornkop mine just outside Johannesburg on Tuesday, where a seismic event caused a rockfall, killing 9 miners.
For us, is one too many. We were on the right track in terms of the decline in the fatalities, but if you look at the statistical analysis currently, you compare it at the same period last year in 2012, we are having exceedingly high numbers, probably high more than with 10.
This is being billed as one of the worst mining accidents in recent years. For Harmony Gold, it's been a triple blow. A total of 11 mine workers were killed this week in 3 separate accidents. One miner was killed in an accident at Harmony's Kusasa mine in the Free State. Another one killed at the company's jewel mine outside Johannesburg on Thursday.
We've got the highest, deepest mines in the world. However, there are systems that need to be followed. There are health and safety systems that need to be developed, that need to be implemented, that need to be monitored and followed up consistently in consultation with us as partners and also the DMR. So the roles and responsibilities are clear. The Act defines them very well.
Harmony has suspended all operations across its portfolio to carry out safety shifts. An investigation is also underway to find out what went wrong. Sumitra Nadu, CCTV, Johannesburg.